welcome back to our channel.
So today, we're super excited because we're actually going to go to a place today to get some live crab.
Yes.
So like, live crab.
Live crab. And like they're huge, so like guys will see us getting them and buying it, and we'll show you guys how much it is here in Chinatown. And the weather is so nice too.
Yeah. No, it's been really hot, but like, I don't know if I mentioned already, we're in Chinatown now. So yes. This is Chinatown, and we'll give you a little glimpse of Chinatown. Heading over to the place where we're going. It's actually called Kowloon. It's a Chinese store.
Market, yeah.
It's like a Chinese market where they sell like vegetables, like fruits, and stuff like that, you know, like Asian things.
Yes.
We're planning to do like story time or a mukbang, something like that.
Yeah.
So we're actually like eagerly waiting for that video soon, guys. In Chinatown, there's a lot of restaurants. There's like a lot of Vietnamese soup places, which is called pho, and a lot of Chinese restaurants, a lot of Chinese grocery stores, medical stores. So you can probably find everything here in Chinatown. Is our mask. I have that ready.
We're close to the market now. I'll show you guys. So this is the market, guys. It's called Kowloon Supermarket. The market, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see.
We're gonna go just a further more to show you the getaway
of Chinatown.
And that's where it actually starts, but there is more restaurants past the getaway as well.
So this is the market, guys. They have all kinds of stuff. Look at that. And all their noodles.
We're in the seafood area.
Seafood right there. So you guys can see that's the crab. It's like $10.99 per pound. The seafood section. And personally, we love crab. Like, I love crab.
And not just crab, they have a lot of other stuff like fish. You know, they have meat as well on the other side.
Also, they are about to close, so that's why there's a lot of ice on top of the fish and everything.
They usually open pretty late, but since it's COVID-19, that's their new business hours, so they're closing at 7.
So actually, we weren't allowed to take any video in the market, obviously. So we couldn't take the live crab footage. But we will show you guys later on how like it is and how big it is. Anyways, guys, it is what it is. We'll get out of this market and show you guys.
I have a live crab in here, and I'm kind of afraid of this. I have to hold it like this, unfortunately. So if you see, it is 4 crabs, $10.99 a pound. It's $68.36. So it is pretty expensive, but it is worth it, guys.
The meat is...
I'm gonna go ahead and wait in line and see you guys outside.
So we're getting closer to the Chinatown getaway.
See, that is really beautiful. So yeah, that's the getaway for Chinatown.
Super nice.
Sure if you can see it.
We're getting closer.
It is so sunny outside.
Oh my god.
But just in case you guys can hear us inside the market, whatever you guys want to call it. We were not allowed to capture him taking the live crab and from the tank and putting it in a bag, so we couldn't record that for you guys. But
try that 1 second. Maybe this way.
Find a nice angle where you can see your faces.
Better than nothing.
Yeah, it is what it is. Unfortunately, you guys couldn't see that.
So we'll show you guys.
Yes. So we're just gonna go head home now, and we're gonna be making crab
curry our way.
And we'll show you like how authentically we make it at home. We'll show you like the recipe and measurements and everything, so stay tuned, guys. Okay, it's gonna be a blessing to have this recipe done at home. Also, this place is always like during like the morning lunch. There's like peak hours where it's like super traffic, super rush hour here. There's a lot of like traffic going on here. And it's a really busy area.
It is. And Chinatown here's like always live. Like, it's like always people like 24 hours.
Like
literally 24
and
hours.
Also, I wanted to talk about the new traveling thing. I don't know what you want to call it.
They brought it for the summer 2020.
Yeah, summer 2020. But I guess it's been a long time plan for them to bring the scooter in. So what they did is they brought this bird. It's called a bird.
Yeah.
Because you fly like a bird. It's a scooter where you can actually get the app online on Play Store or App Store, and you pay online, and then you can just use it.
Yeah. We'll show you guys if someone like rides it right now. We'll show you guys how it looks. But yeah.
And you can like once your time is done, like your payment stops or something like that.
You leave it anywhere actually.
You can leave it anywhere. And if you even try to like steal it or like move it or try to ride it,
you
won't let you. Not unless you pay.
We bought 4 of these,
and I think they have like rubber band on the not on this, but the claws over here, so it doesn't like snag you or anything.
There they come.
Well, that is jumpy. Okay, we're gonna put them back in the bag now. So this was one calmer than this one. This is a little like hyper. Ooh, it's fighting.
We finally got it, and it's going into the bag. It's super stubborn, but
we're ready here, and we're ready to show you guys how to make the crab curry.
I'm super excited because I love crab. Like, you give me crab every day, I can eat it. Like, that's how much I love crab.
Excited for you guys to learn the way we make the crab curry. So, I mean, I'm really excited. Let's just get into the recipe.
Yeah.
Okay. Obviously, you need crab for this. We have, like you saw us, we bought
5 whole crabs.
Yeah, 5 whole crabs.
And then cut it. Since we don't know how to clean it, we got our mom to clean it for us. And cut
but if you know how to clean it, might as well go for it. Okay.
Okay, so for the type of curry leaves that type of crab curry that we're about to do, we need these ingredients.
We need tomato, takali,
and then we have like thinly sliced red onion, some langayam,
and then we have curry leaves, stem of canola.
And then we also have frozen grated coconut. So it just looks like
you can either like grind it, do the usual
tiruvi.
Yeah. Or we got this just from the local grocery store, so you guys can do that too.
Oh, we forgot this.
And then we have 14 pachamulaga, green chilies.
This is really disturbing me. I'm sorry. I heard trying to fix it. Okay, whatever.
Okay, anyways. Yeah, go ahead.
I also have coconut milk. It's actually coconut cream. This is like really creamy. This type of one, it's like
I'm in love with this.
Yeah.
It's really
You add a little bit, it's like already creamy, so it's pretty good.
Yeah. And then we have moringa leaves, so moringa. Then lastly,
we have cumin seeds. We don't need this much. We'll show you guys how much we put, and just
this is how much you need for the sirigam.
Not this is how much.
Well, I mean, like this is.
You need this for the ingredients.
You need the sirigam for the curry, okay?
But we'll show you guys.
Okay, so that's it for the ingredients. We're gonna get going with the method of how to do it. So there's 2 parts to this cooking. First is actually we're gonna dry roast, which she will be doing. What are you gonna dry roast?
I'm gonna be dry roasting the tenga and cumin seeds.
சீரகமும் தேங்காவும் எண்ணெய் இல்லாம வறுத்திருக்கணும்.
Yes.
That
And
makes
then
sense.
the second part is what you're gonna be doing.
I'll be frying all this onion. So இது எண்ணெயில் நல்லாவே தாளிக்க போறோம் இதை. இதுவும் அப்புறம் அதுக்கப்புறம் இது நல்லா caramelize ஆனதுக்கப்புறம், so after this becomes caramelized, we're going to add தக்காளி. And then we're going to add the பச்சை மிளகாய், chillies, and the curry leaves. So let's get to the cooking action.
So first, I'm just gonna dry roast the tinga. Since it's frozen, it has like the water, so we're gonna roast this to take away the water, and then we're gonna add the cumin seeds to it. So stay tuned, guys. So it's on medium heat, and as you guys can see, the water is like coming away from the coconut, and it's just gonna get dry roasted properly. If that makes sense.
Make sure you don't burn the coconut.
Then it will just be messed up.
Meanwhile, I've added 3 tablespoons of oil in a pot. So 3 tablespoons. 3. So I'm just gonna wait till this heats up. I'm gonna be adding my onions. I'm gonna like every now and then just stir into this until it gets caramelized. So நல்லா வதங்கி வரணும் வெங்காயம்.
It will take about like another 2-3 minutes.
Yeah, it'll take a couple of while for this to actually become caramelized, and then we're gonna add the other ingredients into this. This recipe is actually we learned this from our grandmother. It's from our grandmother, and the thing about this is that we usually see a red curry based crabcurry,
But this one is gonna be yellow based. So you guys will see at the end, near the end, that the gravy is gonna be like yellow.
which means we don't add any chili powder
No
at
chili
all.
powder.
No
Only
chili powder,
chilies.
only chili, green chilies.
That's it.
So at the end you'll see like how
How it
it's
turned
gonna
out.
be turning out. Stay tuned, guys.
Right now there's barely any water, so this is the time we're gonna be adding the cumin seeds. And I'll show you guys how much I was putting. I'm just gonna eye this, so we'll see.
We'll link all like the measurements and
Measurements.
everything in the description below.
So cumin seeds is like a main ingredient for this recipe, so we need like a lot. I think that's good.
Obviously, you need salt for any dishes you're making. We just forgot to mention it. So I'm adding sea salt, kallupu. Gonna thoroughly mix it well, so all the salt gets into the onion and it helps the caramelize faster. So finally, you can see it's almost like caramelized. Now I'm going to be adding the green chili.
Is this you split it in half, right?
I split it in half.
Split it.
Yeah, split in half. Not fully, though, just like in between. In the middle, I stopped splitting it. So before I add the tomatoes, I'm going to be adding the curry leaves. So you know how I had the one long stem? I actually broke it in half. This one we're going to be using later at the end of the dish. So the other half we're going to be putting it in now with the stem. So we're done in the middle, so it fries up a little bit, and then we get all the aroma. Now I'm adding the chopped up tomatoes. Make sure all the juice gets into the onion, and then it'll give us the base of the curry.
Try this at home. This is how like it should look. It should just like fall. It shouldn't like be clumps or any like wetness in it. The next step after dry roasting the ingredients, we're gonna be blending this, and we're gonna be blending it like a paste kind of way. So not too watery and not too thick. So it's a paste. And this, after like while blending this, we're gonna be adding the remaining green chilies that we have into this. And the green chilies, like you guys just saw that I didn't roast it, it's still raw. So I actually divided it into 2 and I blended it. This is how it should look. Now I'm going to add the second batch and blend it. As you guys can see, the tomato, onion, and chili and curry leaves are all fried together and nalla vadangapattirukkudu. So now we're going to be adding the cumin and coconut roasted blended masala and chili in it as well. now we're just gonna give it a nice mix.
Combine all the mixture, the masala, the onions.
So this is like a thick curry gravy crab curry.
What are you saying? So you can see like the tomato and the onion is coming on top. You can see the color difference. I'm going to be adding half a tablespoon turmeric, manjal.
Add the crab pieces.
Evenly coat the gravy with the crab. And then
Coat the crab with the gravy, you mean?
Yeah, just what I said, okay. Okay, can you coat the crabs with the gravy?
Trying. Just pretend it's all coated, guys.
And then we're going to close them with the lid and then
Let it boil and let it cook.
let it cook for about
Until it gets cooked, guys. I would say about like 10 minutes, or I don't know, 5, 10 minutes.
or so. Just keep checking every now and then. We're going to be adding the moringa leaves, moringa. So remember, once the dish is done is when you're supposed to add the leaves, just because it's really
Shouldn't be cooked too much.
yes. Now I'm going to be adding the leftover curry leaves that I had from the previous from the other stem, and also add the milk as well, coconut cream.
Let me just mix it again.
Finally, this amazing crab curry is done. And we're super excited to try this out, and it's really burning hot right now. And also, the moringa leaves that we added into the curry, it's actually from our garden, it's fresh. So that's also like a plus for us.
So we're gonna dig in and give it a try. So I do have like just the rice and the gravy here, and then she has the crab. And
I'm not gonna try a crab right now because rice problems.
this is really good.
It's good? Let me try.
It's super good. It's really hot though.
It's really good. We added like 10 chili. If you ever want to like add less spice, you can just add less chili, pretty much.
And let us know in the comments below if you guys try it and how it turned out for you guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what else you guys want to see from us. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.